Mighty machines in action. Pickup trucks. Pickup Trucks by Chris Bowman. A day's work. A man pulls a pickup truck to a building. He loads wood into the truck's bed. Then he hauls it to a construction site. Later, the man gets ready for a weekend of fishing. He hooks his boat to the truck and drives to the lake. The pickup truck helps the man complete many tasks. Many uses. Pickup trucks are found anywhere there are roads. Many work on farms and job sites to carry heavy loads. They often tow big trailers. Some drivers have pickup trucks for everyday use. Large pickup trucks have room to drive families around. There is also space to carry items from shopping trips. Engines, cabs, and beds. Many pickups are powerful vehicles. Some have four-wheel drive or diesel engines. These allow trucks to push plows and pull heavy cargo. Drivers and passengers sit in the cab. These often have two doors. Some cabs have back doors that open to a second row of seats. Truck beds can be different sizes. They are often loaded up with work supplies. They can also carry supplies for fun. Sometimes trucks have campers on their beds. Most pickup trucks have 4 wheels. Dually trucks have 6. The extra wheels help them tow heavier loads. Keep on trucking. Pickup trucks were first built to make jobs easier, but they have become common for everyday driving. Whether carrying wood or pulling a boat, there is a pickup truck for every use. The end.